Hi guys, ArchiTracer is a code coverage tool for 10 programming languages. It supports all build environments and can generate code coverage when we do unit testing or manual testing of application with or without unit test cases. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate code coverage using ArchiTracer code coverage tool when we do unit testing or manual testing in Go programming language. And we are going to use following environment for the demonstration. So this is the prime example project and we have a test cases here. So you can see that these are the 4 test cases that we're going to run with the 4 different sets of input to pass to this prime.go file function, and then we're going to generate the report. Remember, it's 2, 4, 89 and 0. So the first step would be to go ahead and instrument the project. So we're going to use this command ArchiTracer -on dot means we are instrumenting the current directory. Go for Go language, and -v represents high verbosity. Okay, let's go ahead and press enter command. Now I can see that all the files has been instrumented here and all the intermediate files has been generated in this ArchiTracer folder. Now let's go ahead and run the test cases. So I'll do this go test. You can see that we have run the test cases successfully, and the coverage data has been collected in this file, text file, that is Archi coverage text file. Now in order to generate the report, you need to run the command Archi results, and it's going to read the text file that was generated here, the code coverage text file, and it's going to generate the report. So this is the report that has been generated. So you can see that this is the place where the report has been generated. You can just go ahead and open this index.html in the browser and you should be able to see the reports here. This is the landing page, and on the left hand side you should be able to see the project tree structure, and on the right hand side there are a couple of tables. The table that you see on the topmost corner of the screen is a table that remains the same. Basically it's going to give us a project summary in terms of lines, statement and multi-condition code coverage. So how many lines were executed, how many are partial, how many are missed, and total number of lines, and same goes for statement and multi-condition. And this option shows us the path of the source file that we have selected, and you can see that as I select the files, the data on this table as well as this in this pie charts will get automatically updated to give the code coverage at the high level. Now let's say like I'll go ahead and select this prime and double click, and it will take us to the source file, and you can see that at the high level we're getting the code coverage summary for this file with this table here. And also if you remember, we entered four different set of values, and you can see that this function was executed 4 times. And you can also get the truth table with permutation and combinations, and if you just hover over this condition, you can see that this value was executed twice to false and twice to true condition. And however this one we didn't pass a value 5 or 7, so it was greater than 5, and that's the reason 2 times false, and same goes for this. And you can also see there is underscore which has been highlighted in the yellow color, means this condition has been covered partially. But if the underscore has been highlighted in the green color, means that condition has been covered for both true and false condition. And at the high level, the green color indicates the parts of the code that has been executed when we started testing our application, and the parts of the code which has been highlighted in the yellow color means that code has been executed only for the partial condition, and the code that has been highlighted in the red color means that part of the code was not executed when we tested our application. And at any given point of time, if you want to get the summary of the function, for instance, let's say like I have multiple functions in the source file. If I'm in middle of the function middle of the file, so in order to get the function summary, all I need to do is right click on this, go to the function summary, and you should be able to see like function name with code coverage details at high level, like what is the line coverage, statement coverage, and all those things. And along with that, you can also check for file summary and project summary.